In today's video, we're going to go over on how to assemble our COMPCOR tables to table bases. You're going to want to start by grabbing your COMPCOR table out of the box, flipping it onto its face. And when you flip it onto its face, make sure you have something that kind of protects the face. You don't want any debris or anything underneath of there to scratch the table. You're going to want to make sure you have a drill. And for every COMPCOR table we send out, we send a driver, a drill bit, and 4 screws that go with it. Start by grabbing your drill driver. It's going to be right here. Once you want to grab your base, get it centered to the table. Once you have that centered to the table, we like to grab a marker, and with the 4 big holes on the table spider, I just kind of like to mark those. Now after you got those marked, go ahead and take off the table base. We're going to start pre-drilling those holes. Sure you get the optimal depth, so this is going to go only about 3/8 of an inch in. Okay, now after you pre-drilled the holes, take off the bit and clean your surface up a little bit. Then recenter your table base. Now once you get those lined up with the holes, go ahead and put your drill driver onto the drill and grab your 4 screws as well. An important thing is when you're starting to put the screws in the hole, make sure that your clutch on your drill isn't too high. Depending on what drill you have, you might have to tweak it a little bit. And it's just simple as and then should be it.